Hello guys, my name is Shaima. In this tutorial video, we'll be doing ceiling design. Okay, before we custom the ceiling, you can drag one column here. Okay, you can scroll down, drag column. Okay, drag inside. Okay, I'm gonna do a small partition here because we're gonna drag staircase later. Okay, you can select your column and adjust the sizing. For the length, you can change to 2100. And make sure you untick proportion so you can adjust the size one by one. For the width, you can change to 240, same as our wall thickness. Okay, and then you can move your column inside. Okay, move it and adjust the position. Make sure it aligns with the wall here. Okay, on the right side. See it align. Alright. Then you can go to room view. Go to room view. You can see this is the column we dragged just now. Okay, this is a column. Then you can go to customize, go to ceiling function. Okay, and then you can double click your ceiling layer up here. Just double click. You can see display mode. Alright, I will explain the basic button first. Okay, you can draw rectangle. Just draw one rectangle here. Another one here. Make sure both intersect with each other. Right click to cancel the draw mode. You can select the rectangle one by one, including the intersect part here. And you can select the side line and extend it like this. Alright? Okay. So let's say we select the side line over here. You can right click. Okay, you can see this button, split. Okay, you can split it into half and select one by one. Right click again, you can turn the line to arc like this. Alright, and you can select the shape, move it. Okay, select the shape, move it. Okay, it's easier to separate the ceiling like this. Okay, you can change it back to straight line. Just right click. Okay, change back to straight line and you can adjust. This one is the arc. Okay, you can see the yellow dots. This one is the radius. You can drag the dots inside. Okay, it will make a curve inward. Okay, if you drag outside, it will make a curve outward like this. Alright, so this is the basic buttons for ceiling. You can select all shape and delete first. Alright, when I build the real ceiling, draw rectangle at this side. This is the living room side. Okay. Next, draw another rectangle to this area. This is the dining and kitchen area. Okay, and then the third rectangle you draw here. This is the staircase area. Okay, right click to cancel. You can zoom a bit, see the line is not aligned with the wall. You can drag the line, adjust the position, make sure it aligns with the wall. Alright, next you can select this rectangle here on the living room area. Okay, you see this one is actually on the right side. You can drag to the left side so you can see the camera view. Okay, you can see the camera, your actual ceiling. Okay, and then select your ceiling. You see got down lift button here. Okay, it's the same thing as of the top. You can change down lift to 3000, enter, so the ceiling will be dropped down to 3000. See? Okay, this one also, the ceiling on the kitchen area, go to down lift, adjust to 3000, enter. Okay, so the ceiling will drop down. Alright, so the height will be the same on the living and on the kitchen area. Okay, so select this living room ceiling, this one. Okay, we're gonna offset the rectangle. See this offset button, select the surface, move your cursor inward and you can type 700, click enter. Offset another rectangle inside, 500, click enter. Okay, so you have 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 layers of your ceiling. Then select the second layer. Okay, adjust the down lift 2008. Okay, minus 200, 2800. Okay, so the second layer will go up a bit. Okay, down lift actually is the height from the floor to the ceiling. Okay, then select your ceiling second layer, go to chamfer. Okay, tick this one, select all, right, and then select your chamfer type. and adjust the diameter. Okay, side cut is the diameter. Right, you can select the other type. This one is outer fillet. Adjust the radius 500. You can see that this is outer fillet. Okay, let's say we untick all, select one corner only. Okay, change to this one and adjust the radius 500. You can see only one corner will change. Okay, so make sure you select all. Select all, and all corner will change to this inner fillet. Alright, do the same thing on the inside here. Select the third layer, select all, and select your chamfer. I will choose inner fillet and then adjust the radius. If it's too big, can reduce it 300. Okay, so the radius here is 300. Done for the chamfer part. Now you're gonna add the LED light along the ceiling layer. Select the second layer. You can tick this one, generate light. Okay, let me zoom a bit. Okay, so this is your second layer. You can tick this one, light groove direction. This one is going inward, this one is going outward. You can see the difference, inward, outward. Okay, and then this one is light sweep. Okay, you can tick yes, and you can adjust the temperature. Okay, the bulb temperature. This one is the bulb color. You can select the box and change the color. Okay, let's say we change to yellow color. Okay, you can adjust the tone. Alright, and then down here is the light brightness. Okay, usually I will set it 20. Okay, 20, not too much, not too bright. Alright, and then you can do the same thing on the third layer, generate light. Okay, this one is the third layer. Okay, if you want to add more light, you can go to section edit. See, this one is the side profile of the ceiling. On your left side, you go to section library, go to lamp tube. Okay, we have two types of tube, circular and lamp tube. Okay, you just drag inside. Okay, once you drag inside, you'll see these three boxes. Okay, and then just drag inside the box. Okay, drag inside this box, and you can adjust the lamp tube. Okay, you can move it up here. Okay, you can move the position. The position is freely. You can move anywhere around the ceiling. Okay, and then you can adjust the position. Sorry, not position, the sizing. This one is the size. Okay, you can change the size. You can rotate, and then down here you can mirror it. Okay, this one is mirror. Okay, this one also the same thing. You can select the circular lamp tube, adjust the size, rotate and mirror. Okay, so this is section edit. If you don't want, you can just simply select and delete it. Click complete. Okay, and then when I install the downlight. Okay, so you can select the second layer, this one, second layer. You can right click, go to downlight installation. Okay, and then you can see this one is downlight setting. Select the box. You will see this material library. Okay, double click on any downlight model and make sure you tick this one. Select all. Okay, it will install along the ceiling layer on all sides. Down here is the edge distance. Let's say we increase. Okay, we move further away. Reduce, it will move closer to the edging. Okay, so we set it 300 up. And down here is the light gap. Okay, let's say we reduce 800, it will add more lighting. If we increase it 1002, it will reduce some of the light. Okay, so I will adjust it here 800. Alright, so this is downlight installation. Make sure you offset the ceiling layer first, then you can install downlight. Alright, you can do the same thing on the dining area. Okay, and one more thing, we need to drop down the ceiling at the hallway area. Okay, so you can use polylines, draw polylines. Okay, and then you just follow back the hallway ceiling, follow back the shape. Okay, you can zoom a bit. Alright, make sure you connect to the first point you start, and then right click to cancel. Okay, you see nothing there, but there's polyline here. You can select the line. Okay, select the line first and right click, convert to region. Okay, only for polyline. If you use polyline, you must convert it to region. then it will become a shape, and you can select drop down the ceiling. Okay, at downlift here, drop down to 3000. Okay, alright, so if you have done, you can click complete. This is the final look of the ceiling. All ceiling will drop down to 3000. Okay, I exit the ceiling mode. Okay, so you can see this one is a staircase area. Okay, the ceiling up here. This is a staircase area. This is a hallway. Okay, so this is a ceiling on the living and dining area. Okay, don't forget to add one main light to the ceiling here. You can go to library. You can go to decoration, lighting. You can drag out ceiling light or chandelier. Okay, this one you just drag out and adjust the position. Okay, you can drag and adjust it position. Okay, down here also you can adjust the lighting, temperature, color, and the brightness. Alright. And then one more thing, you can try add staircase to the staircase area. Okay, let me show you. Okay, go to the staircase area here. Okay, you can see the ceiling up here is at the 6000. Okay, so when we drag staircase, okay, you can go to library, go to finishing, stair railing, go to stairs, this one, click this button, and you can choose any staircase model. Okay, there's a spiral shape. Okay, underneath cabinet, find any staircase model. Okay, for example, I'll be using this one, modern stone stairs. Okay, just drag out. Okay, this one you need to adjust manually. You need to rotate it first. Okay, you can hold control button when you rotate. Okay, hold control button when you rotate so it won't move around. Okay. Alright, when you drag the staircase, okay, it will create a double story illusion since the ceiling height is 6000 on the staircase area. Okay, it will create a double story illusion. Okay, this one you can adjust the sizing a bit. See, it's at this box. You can untick proportional and adjust the length, width, height one by one. Okay, and then move it inside. Okay. Adjust the sizing and move. This one you need to adjust manually. Okay. You need to move it inside a bit. Okay. So basically we have done with the ceiling function. Okay, you guys can try out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.